Hello, good evening. This is Brecht from Xscript Games, and today I'm gonna show you the progress on my game. I implemented some more weapons, so I'm gonna show you them. First I'm gonna do multiplayer right from the get-go. So I'm building my project and I'm gonna set it there. Now it takes a couple of seconds to get it built, but it will get there. Alright, we're getting there. Right. So, it's my game. You've already seen this part. I've explained what happens here. Check my previous videos for that. But you can see there's a difference now. I actually modeled the gun in Blender today. It's just a Glock 17 or something like that. Very basic, but yeah, this way I know how to model and export my models that I make to Unity, so that's pretty good. Now I made some extra weapons. So you already know just a normal projectile like this, fires like this. Then there's my flamethrower, I already showed you this as well. And then I worked on a rocket launcher, so it explodes like this. So it fires a bit slower, but it does more damage. It does 10 damage, and there's an area of effect when it hits, and you can hit multiple targets at once with the rocket launcher. So it has less damage per second on a single target, but more damage per second on multiple targets. So it fires 2 rockets because it's empowered now because of the pickup. So you can insta-shot things like that. And it's back to normal. The second gun I added is a Railgun. There's just one model, but it's different functionality. So it's like from Quake. Oh, it's pushing me. Okay, so right from the get-go, this is the Railgun when it's empowered. It basically shoots in 4 directions. It's kind of like hard to use, but it does work if you can use it. Oh, there was a little bug there. It shot through. I'll need to fix that, but for now, just the Railgun works pretty good. So it does 20 damage and it one-shots zombies, but you have to wait a second before it reloads. So yeah. Boom, boom, boom. That's basically it. What I did today was a bit of a struggle. It took me like 2 hours to model the gun, or 2 or 3 hours to model and export the gun because I'm just so noob with Blender. And it's like a really different interface for me to get used to. And then I worked some more on the rocket launcher. It took a few hours, and the Railgun also took a few hours to have everything in place. But now I see I still need to debug it as well. So yeah, I'll probably do that more tonight, and then tomorrow I'll actually implement a deployable turret. I want a deployable turret like in tower defense games, so I'll be able to deploy a turret and then it will shoot automatically at zombies when they come. Oh, the Railgun is strong as long as you don't miss. In my game you have to aim at the center of the beams basically, because if you aim at the top it will miss. See, because it's like the perspective works like that. Well, yeah, that's basically it for today. This was Xscript Games. I'm logging out. Like the video if you like the video. Please subscribe if you want to see more. and thank you for watching. Have a good night.